What is the new name of the Prime Minister's office complex? Correct answer is option C, Seva Tirth. What will be the new name of the Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act? Correct answer is option C, Viksit Bharat Guarantee for Rojgar and Ajivika Mission Gramin. The FIDE Chess World Cup 2025 trophy has been named after which chess legend? Correct answer is option C, Vishwanath Anand. Raj Bhavan, the official residence of state governors, has been renamed as. Correct answer is option C, Lok Bhavan. The central secretariat will now be known as. Correct answer is option C, Kartavya Bhavan. In August 2025, in which city was a road named Subhanshu Shukla Marg in honor of Indian astronaut Group Captain Shubhanshu Shukla? Correct answer is option C, Lucknow. What is the new name of the National Bank for Financing Infrastructure and Development? Correct answer is option C, Infrastructure Development Bank. In August 2025, what is the new name of Rajasthan's Khairthal Tijara district? Correct answer is option C, Bhartari Nagar. A 3.5 billion year old crater named after geologist M.S. Krishnan is located on which planet? Correct answer is option D, Mars. The new Noonmati Digali Pukhuri flyover in Guwahati is named after which 13th century Kamarupa ruler? Correct answer is option C, Maharaja Prithu. In August 2025, the Ministry of Home Affairs approved renaming Jalalabad town in Shahjahanpur, Uttar Pradesh to. Correct answer is option B, Parshuram Puri. In September 2025, Indian Railways renamed Ahmednagar Railway Station as. Correct answer is option C, Ahilyanagar Railway Station. Singapore renamed which island as Zubeen Garg Island? Correct answer is option C, St. John's Island. Navi Mumbai International Airport will be named after which famous pharma leader? Correct answer is option D, D.B. Patil. The India England Test Series was renamed as what in June 2025? Correct answer is option C, Tendulkar Anderson Trophy. What is the new name of Pachmani Wildlife Sanctuary in Madhya Pradesh? Correct answer is option C, Raja Babut Singh Wildlife Sanctuary. The newly developed mango variety named in honor of Defense Minister Rajnath Singh is called. Correct answer is option D, Rajnath Am. What is the new motto adopted by the full bench of Lokpal of India? Correct answer is option D, Empower citizens, expose corruption. Bangalore City University will be renamed after which former Prime Minister? Correct answer is option D, Dr. Manmohan Singh. National Institute of Public Cooperation and Child Development was renamed in July 2025 as. Correct answer is option C, Savitri Bai Phule National Institute of Women and Child Development. Gaya city in Bihar was renamed as. Correct answer is option C, Gaya Ji. Khuldabad was renamed as Ratnapur by which state government? Correct answer is option C, Maharashtra. In September 2025, which department was renamed as the Department of War by executive order of the US President? Correct answer is option C, Department of Defense. Silkayara Tunnel in Uttarakhand will be renamed after. Correct answer is option C, Baba Bokhnag. Dibrugarh's Mohanbari Airport was renamed as. Correct answer is option C, Dr. Bhupen Hazarika Airport. Mysore Park was renamed as what by sweet shops of Jaipur. Correct answer is option D, Mysore Shri. What is the new name of Ramnagar district as approved by the Karnataka cabinet in May 2025? Correct answer is option C, Bengaluru South. The Commonwealth Games Federation has changed its name to. Correct answer is option C, Commonwealth Sport. Hindustan Aeronautics Limited renamed its HJT-36 jet trainer as. Correct answer is option C, Yashash. Central Industrial Security Force renamed its training center as. Correct answer is option C, Rajaditya Cholan Thakkolam. What is the new official name of the Astra Mk3 missile? Correct answer is option C, Gandiv. Which state announced naming the road housing the US Embassy as Donald Trump Avenue? Correct answer is option C, Telangana. What is the new name of the Sports Authority of India? Correct answer is option C, Sports India. The Indian National Scientific Documentation Center has been renamed as. Correct answer is option C, National Institute of Science Communication and Information Resources. What is the new name of Foysagar Lake in Ajmer? Correct answer is option C, Varun Sagar. King Edward Memorial Bhavan in Ajmer has been renamed as. Correct answer is option C, Maharshi Dayanand Vishranti Grah. Which city has been declared the second capital of Assam? Correct answer is option D, Dibrugarh. What is the new name of Aurangzebpur in Haridwar district of Uttarakhand? Correct answer is option C, Shivaji Nagar. The cultural center in Jaffna, renamed as Thiruvalluvar Cultural Center, is located in which country? Correct answer is option D, Sri Lanka. What is the new name of Fort William? Correct answer is option C, Vijayadurg. What is the new name of Dhyanchand Lifetime Achievement Award? Correct answer is option C, Arjun Lifetime Award. What is the new name of Pune Airport? Correct answer is option B, Jagadguru Sant Tukaram Maharaj International Airport. What is the new name of Sultanganj Railway Station? Correct answer is option B, Ajgabinath Dham. What is the new name of Delhi's Sarai Kale Khan Chowk? Correct answer is option A, Birsa Munda Chowk. What is the new name of Kaksar Bridge of Ladakh? Correct answer is option B, Captain Amit Bharadwaj Setu. What is the new name of Karimganj district of Assam? Correct answer is option C, Shri Bhumi. What is the new name of Port Blair? Correct answer is option B, Shri Vijaypuram. The Ashoka Hall of Rashtrapati Bhavan has been renamed as. Correct answer is option B, Ashok Mandapam. Mumbai Central Railway Station of Maharashtra has been renamed as. Correct answer is option A, Nana Jagannath Shankar Seth Station. The Darbar Hall of Rashtrapati Bhavan has been renamed as. Correct answer is option D, Ganatantra Mandap. What is the new name of Ayodhya Railway Station? Correct answer is option B, Ayodhya Dham Railway Station. What is the new name of Zomato? Correct answer is option A, Eternal Limited. What is the new name of Aurangabad city of Maharashtra? Correct answer is option B, Chhatrapati Sambhaji Nagar. What is the new name of Khelo India Women's League? Correct answer is option A, Asmita Women's League. What is the new name of Old Parliament House? Correct answer is option B, Samvidhan Sadan. So friends, that's all in today's video. Today's question for you. What is the new name of the Prime Minister's office complex? And the question number second is, what is the new motto adopted by the full bench of Lokpal of India? So friends, share the answer in the comment box and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.